What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on Marinade, which has pumped up nearly 40% in the last 24 hours and currently sitting at just below the 15 cents target. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to invest? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop back down in value, or is it time to sell if you are on a profit? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high or how low this crypto can go, and looking at, is it a crypto worth investing into, especially going into 2023, or would you rather put your money into a different crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website. There is a green day for the market today, 5% up, guys, nearly. And as you can see, Bitcoin has taken a little bit of a pump, nearly 3%, Ethereum is 5%, so on and so on. But anyways, today's focus is on Marinade, which has gained the second spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours and has gained 33%. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain nearly 13% in value in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 33%, over the week, 22%, and over the month, a massive 114%, guys. So no one really knew about this crypto all up until it started pumping here in early November, going all the way up to 41 cents, hitting 500% increase, and then straight away dropped back down, peaked back up in value on the 10th of November, dropping back down in value, and right now has had a minimal pump compared to how much it's pumped previously. As you can see, pumped up earlier, very early this morning, dropped down to about 12 cents, and right now trading at 15 cents. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 160% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.8 million in trading. And I am expecting the trading volume to go even higher over the coming hours as more and more people start to trade the crypto. We are going to see a lot of investors buying it because a lot of people do get happy when a crypto starts going up. They get onto it and then, you know, it starts to drop in value. Personally, right now is a risky time to get into it. But again, if you guys believe that it will go higher than what it's worth at the moment, then yeah, why not? And we're also going to see some people selling the crypto, taking their profits. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Marinade at 15 cents. However, it is trading at slightly lower value at 14 cents, meaning it is not performing too well, but is very, very close to the average SMA indicator, meaning more or less it is on target. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and yes, they are looking quite steep as well. Only reason for that is obviously the major increase that's taking place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. I am expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours for it to drop back down in value to around the 12 cents target. And again, I keep mentioning this in most of my videos. Whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, it has to take a little dip, it has to take a little step back, and the exact same applies here to Marinade. So yes, earlier this morning, we saw it pump up to 14 cents, drop back down below the 12 cents target, pumping back up, and very likely that it will start to drop back down this afternoon towards the end of the day today, towards the 11 to 12 cents target. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Once again, we do have the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, guys, over the next few days, so towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting an overall drop in value from Marinade. So potentially heading down to about the 10 cents target is what I'm expecting over the next 7-8 days. And again, this does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting red days over the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days when it's up, red days when it's down, but the overall outcome seems to be slightly more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we have taken quite of a U-turn. We do have the blue line still looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, the orange line is still looking negative, heading towards the bearish direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what we should expect from Marinade over the coming weeks. So late December, early January, we should expect Marinade to more or less fluctuate around the 14 to 15 cents target. Nothing crazy, nothing major. Again, over the coming 7-8 days, I'm expecting it to drop down in value, and from then on, it's very likely that it's going to be quite volatile up and down, but more or less, keeping its value of about 15 to 16 cents target, unless there is a major crypto crash or a major bull run that takes place, which have a major impact on the value of not just Marinade but the whole crypto market in general. Anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the Mnde indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, this is very interesting, guys. Most cryptos right now are trading in the red zone, but most of them are trading in the lower part of the red zone. However, Marinade is very, very close to the green zone. As you can see, for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit 18 cents in target, and it doesn't require much of an increase for this crypto to hit 18 cents. And again, very likely end of December, January, February time, we should be able to head into the green zone. However, every time this crypto heads into the green zone, it ends up dropping back down into the red zone. As you can see here, literally hit the green zone, dark green zone, straight away drop back down, hit it again, drop back down. So it's been very volatile and it's likely to carry on this way as well. So next time it does hit the green zone, it's very likely to drop back down into the red zone. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Marinade, guys. What I'm interested in is your expectations from this crypto. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments saying, it's a scam, it's a pump and dump token, and others are saying, it's going to hit 20, 30, 40, 50 cents anytime soon. Again, yes, on the thumbnail I did say it might hit 50 cents, but again, that is on the long run. By mid to late next year, I'm expecting the crypto to hit the 50 cents target. I do believe in the crypto. I haven't invested into it right now, but if it does take quite a major drop, then I will be investing into the crypto. But yeah, so far so good for this crypto. I'm expecting it to hit 50 cents by summer next year, so around June, July time, we should be around hitting about 45 to 50 cents. But again, if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.